everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are here with the turbo car. I just picked it up, fresh E85, because we got a long drive home and a quarter tank of gas will not get us there. So I got Brett up there in my Colorado. He's really enjoying that truck. Get me some fuel and we're gonna head on home. What do you think about the truck, man?
Sick. That thing is
like
sick.
You like it? I gotta get me some of this hand sanitizer for this from this Coyote. I don't know, but guys, we're getting some fresh E85 in the car. Tires are low because you know it's been sitting up there at the shop. But we're about to drive home. We got a long drive home. E85 life. Hopefully this is some good ethanol. This is it though. Fresh off the dyno. I'll post the dyno video here in a little bit. I want to drive it home. Man, this car's wicked. Definitely the highest horsepower I've ever had by far. Anti-roll bar is on as well. I'll show you under here. Get up under here and look. There you see the Team Z anti-roll bar. So she's bad. It's just tell you, what do you think about it, man?
Nasty.
How much do you like the truck?
10 out of 10.
You want one now? I told you the thing had some balls, man. It's a little rough.
Wait till you change up
It's a little rough, you know. We're gonna get all that fixed though. But that's it, guys. Let's go take this thing home. We got Brett. I let Brett drive my Colorado. This thing is wild. We are only on wastegate. I am out of CO2, but man, this thing is wild. I've never actually seen a Colorado like this. Can't say enough. I cannot say enough about this build. People that say street car versus daily, right now it's 48 degrees outside, so it's pretty chilly. I got the heat on. So you cannot drive a car 32 degrees a long distance and not freeze to death. You just don't do it. There is a difference between daily driving. It has a turbo 400, definitely streetable. Look, he's driving my Colorado that I drive every single day to work. No problems at all. I mean, right now the speed limit's 70. We're doing 67, just a little bit under. Driving anywhere. It's kind of loud in here with all the interior out. You can hear that spool too. Pretty loud. Look at that sunset though. Lights on because we got the 400 in it, and I got the fuel system, so the fuel light stays on. The only thing I don't like about this car with the interior out, it's freaking loud. So I'm ready to get this cage put in, so I can get this interior put back in and quieten it back down. I'm thinking about going to Kirky seats. I haven't made up my mind yet. Drop a comment below. Should I stay full interior or should I do this rear seat delete and get the Kirkys? Drop a comment below, guys. Thinking about doing another pull for you guys. Here we go, little pull. Wow, this thing pulls so freaking hard, it's insane. Woo. Alright guys, so we made it back to the garage. The car is here. Like I said, I want to give a big shout out to DBR, RPG Engines, JPC Racing, Lund. All of you guys had a big part in this build. And you're making my dream come true. I've got a 1300 rear wheel horsepower, and it's not even, guys, it's still got a long way to go. We can turn this thing up to 18 plus if we get those rods, the I-beam rods. So here it is. So if you're wondering, can you street a turbo 400? We literally just drove it an hour and 15 minutes with traffic. That's not including the time with traffic. And made it fine. Like I said, I've got the interior out because we are planning on putting a cage in this thing really soon. So I've already got it stripped out for them. Put a parachute on it. Put some Viking front shocks on it. And pretty much going to about wrap this up minus the rods once we have to get the rods. I do want to ditch the hood, I think, and get a carbon fiber hood. What do you guys think about that? Thinking possibly a 3 to 4 inch carbon fiber cow hood. I'm definitely keeping the wheels. I love the wheels. So also we're planning on getting a drag wing that comes out about right here, the drag wing, and just have fun with the car. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. We are going to hit our goal of 2,000 by the end of this year. We are 27 away. Go help me hit that goal. We got a lot of stuff coming, including this. We'll be getting to the track. We rented the drag strip, local drag strip, for next week on the 12th. So me and a bunch of my buddies plan on going out there and having a good time. So guys, hope you enjoyed it. Catch you later.